Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore calendar scheduling with Calendly time zones. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Calendly account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on your account icon. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. In the Account Settings, look for the Time Zone tab on the left side. Click on the Time Zone tab to access your time zone settings. Ensure your correct time zone is selected from the drop-down menu. If you need to update your time zone, choose the appropriate one. After making any changes, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Now, return to your main dashboard. Select an event type that you want to adjust. In the Event Type settings, scroll down to the When Can People Book This Event section. Here, make sure the time zone displayed matches your chosen setting. You will also see an option to allow invitees to select their own time zone. If you want this feature, ensure it is enabled. Scroll down and click on Save and Close to apply the settings. Next, go to your calendar app integrated with Calendly. Check your scheduling link to confirm the time zone settings are accurate. If everything looks good, you are ready to start booking your events effectively. That's it. You've now restored the calendar scheduling with the correct time zones in Calendly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.